Well, supposedly this is the trailhead. We'll find out. Initially, I thought I needed to go down this kind of Forest Service road, but you can see the apex of Kloochman Rock up there, so we're gonna see if we can't make our way down into the woods. I don't know, what do we think? This looks like the closest thing to a trail I can find. We'll try it out. And so far it's actually looking pretty promising. It seemed like we were going a little too far south at first, but this is kind of hugging around. So this should lead to the base of the rock. We'll find out shortly. I was reading a trail report before coming out here. It's actually a hike on WTA. Hasn't been a trail report since 2019, I don't think. But they did mention that they saw some bears kind of near the trailhead, so I am prepared for that doubly. So we should be good, we should be safe, should be fun. There it is. Somehow we're gonna get to the top of that thing. Looks like we're still going to the southernmost point of the rock. And hopefully it'll be a little bit more ascendable from there. You can get an appreciation of just how vertical this thing is. I mean, just look at that rock face. It's super cool. It's definitely starting to feel a little less like a trail. I guess we're gonna kind of meander on over there, see if we can't hug the ridge on the way up, but we'll see. Definitely not a big fan of hiking on this kind of chossy rock slide. I'm trying to hug the boulder to the right, but eventually I'm gonna have to get up on that. But it looks like we're getting pretty close to the top. Woo-wee. Got a wee bit sweaty, but we're pretty dang close. We're in too deep now, that's for sure. Oh, we still got a little ways to scramble, but I think once we get up this little rock face, we should pretty much be on the ridge. Well, as much as I'd like to keep going, that is far beyond my risk tolerance. So I think this is gonna be pretty much the summit as far as I'm concerned. Now you might be able to scramble up onto the ridge, but that's not something I'm really willing to do. So we're gonna go back down and we're gonna go check out that little prominence, and we're gonna call that our summit for the day. Now we didn't quite make it to the ridge line, but I'm hoping we can return sometime in the future to make the full ascent. Shouldn't feel too good about it while we were there today, but we'll be back to try again. I may even bring my camping gear to try to camp at the top, as I think it could be an interesting spot to stay the night. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more adventures.